Israel's recognition of Somaliland marks a major diplomatic shift in the Horn of Africa. But this development is not just diplomacy, it is also intelligence. And it did not happen overnight. At the center is David Barnea, director of Mossad. Appointed in 2021, Barnea is a career intelligence officer known for quiet diplomacy, strategic outreach, and shaping international deals behind the scenes. Barnea also has a close working relationship and strong trust with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, making him a key figure in sensitive, high-stakes diplomatic moves. Mossad's involvement matters because in regions like the Horn of Africa, intelligence-led diplomacy often moves faster and more discreetly than traditional channels, laying the groundwork for formal recognition. In October, 2 months before recognition, Somaliland President Abdirahman Mohammed Abdullahi made a secret visit to Israel. The trip was kept out of public view and only emerged through Israeli media recently. The secrecy reflects the sensitivity of the talks, as early disclosure could have triggered regional and diplomatic backlash. During the visit, President of Somaliland met Prime Minister Netanyahu, Mossad Chief David Barnea, Israel's defense minister, and the Israeli foreign minister, signaling high-level strategic, security, and diplomatic engagement. Early discussions reportedly touched on sensitive regional issues, including Gaza-related proposals, before expanding into broader security cooperation, regional stability, and future diplomatic ties. Somaliland's strategic location near the Red Sea, the Gulf of Aden, and close to Yemen gives it major geopolitical importance. Israel's recognition of Somaliland reflects months, if not years, of quiet, intelligence-led groundwork. What is public now was shaped privately.